2018 Yukon XL SLT four-wheel drive. Here is yet another one of our favorite big SUVs for the family. The Yukon XL. It's fully loaded SLT that's clearly been well taken care of and just a quality vehicle. I'm going to try and do a quick video walk around here for you, show you the ins and out of it, show you the blemishes. This is a 146,000 mile truck, so it's been on the road, but just really shows pride of ownership and is still very clean in and out. Mechanically very strong, very loaded up. It's got most all the options that a Denali would have, but without that price and with the better fuel economy of the smaller motor, and just still a really nice driving SUV. So this one is finished in a very lovely kind of slate gray color, very sharp metallic color, very nice and neutral, so it doesn't show a lot of the dirt and blemishes like a lot of those colors do, but really pops out here in the sun. Moving to the front here, it's in nice shape. The grille, the front bumper isn't all chipped up or damaged. It's got the front parking sensors, LED daytime running lights and turn signals with the HID headlights. Very clean front clip here. Moving to the passenger side here, it's very clean all the way down. And a few little scuffs of dirt here, I guess that's all that was. A little scratch right here. That up. But very clean panels all the way down. It doesn't feel like it's been beat up a lot or used heavily. Trunk area, liftgate and bumpers all in good shape. There's no garage door scratches along the edges here like a lot of times they do. Coming down to the passengers, or excuse me, the driver's side, it's very clean paint all the way down here as well. One little scratch right here. I can pick that up, just very much a hairline. One little set of scuffs right here, but not bad. Moving down the hood, the glass, the top end is all in good shape. No hail in the vehicle. Windshield's clean. It's sitting on basically new general grabber tires, all terrain. Just a very good meaty tire for a truck like this. It's really going to do good on the road, or even not on the road, on a country road or something like that. It's just a really high quality tire. The general grabber is one of our favorites in all terrain. So very big plus there when you got $800 or $1,000 or more dollars of tires ready to go. Moving to the inside, very clean in here. It does have the black charcoal ebony interior. Of course, you get all power locks and windows and mirrors. It does have power folding mirrors, which have turn signals and blind spot monitoring in them. As you can see, this interior just really is in nice shape. All the bolstering is still in nice shape. Very little bit of creasing along the edge here, but that's about it. It does have shifts on the fly, four-wheel drive, full automatic headlights, power adjustable pedals, your parking sensors within your lane, keep assist and departure warning and all that there. Great safety feature. Moving inside, you've got all your steering wheel controls. The heated steering wheel does have forward collision warning, so as you come up on somebody, if you come up on them too fast, it will alert you and go all bonkers and stuff and tell you need to slow down. And then I believe on this, I'd have to look at the owner's manual to confirm, but I believe if you don't, it'll actually automatically brake for you as well. But of course, don't quote me on that. I'm not for sure, but it's got all kinds of great things for safe driving. Heated and cooled seats, dual automatic climate control with rear controls and air, of course. It does have a navigation system with backup camera, of course. Come with all the GMC Interlink system. So lots of different features and apps you can download. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto through the projection there that you can plug your phone in, and it'll display up on the screen as well. So rear power liftgate, rear sliding, or your front sliding sunroof here. The console's all in nice shape. Cup holders, the dash is all in good shape. This whole interior of this vehicle is in great shape. We do have 2 sets of smart keys with full remote start, lift gates and all that. It does have a push button start. I'll just go do a quick key cycle here for us. So with the press of a brake and press of the button, everything just comes right to life. No funny messages, no goofy errors, no funny lights. Everything right in the zone and the way you want to see it. Of course, you got tons of different selections here, going through all the information of the vehicle. That's always great. We'll go ahead and jump to the back seat real quick and take a look at that. This does have the full bench seat in the back, so 60/40 split bench. It does have heated rear seats. Does have the double DVD system, which is great for Blu-ray and watching movies and stuff for the kids. This is a power fold-away seat, so with the press button back here, these will fold out of the way for easy access to the third row seat, which has got plenty of space there for sure. And with the simple set down and fold up, you're back to your 60/40 mid-bench seat. So this has seating for 8, plenty of space for everybody, tons of leg room, and it's great. So go ahead and take a look at the rear cargo. Once again, you have that power liftgate, which is great for loading and unloading. You have your full cargo area. This is why people like to get the Suburban Yukon XL Escalade ESV length, because you just have all the space behind the third row seat, as well as that full third row seat ready to go. With the press of a button, you can fold these down and have even more cargo space. So it's totally cavernous back here with those down, but then you can just push and have them back up and ready to take the family. So super great feature there. One nice feature they made when they moved to this new body style was that power third row full flat seat. So up the hood, take a look at that. This has the legendary 5.3 V8, a great motor GM has built. Very fuel efficient in these years. They say they're rated at 22 miles a gallon, so you can hit pretty good fuel economy numbers with this compared to what they used to be in the old days. Very clean and tidy under here, no funny noises or goofy things going on. No funny wires or aftermarket stuff, just pretty much the way you want to find it on a Yukon XL like this. So if this vehicle is of interest, feel free to get in contact with us. It's Miles and Brad Beckman here at Eagle Car Autos in McPherson. Brad, he's my dad. He's the owner of our small family dealership. We've been here about 25 years in McPherson. And we look forward to serving you, whether it's on this vehicle or something else. We love these Suburban and Suburban-sized vehicles, so if it's not this one, I'm sure we'll have something else coming or going, and we'll be happy to serve you in whatever way we can. So find us on our website, eaglecarautos.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video, find us on Facebook, and follow us there. And just let us know how we can best serve you. Thanks so much for watching.